Good afternoon, it's my Jeep update for Thursday, April 28th, 2022, and it's approximately, I think it's about 2 o'clock, 2:30 or so in the afternoon, and somewhere in that area, yeah, it's close enough. Anyway, I've been doing a little pedaling today, you know, nothing hard. Been working on my canister housing, the charcoal canister housing. And as you can see, I've been knocking off rust. I've been doing it with that grinder there, because some of it's pretty heavy. Now, let me point out, this was the area I was concerned with. This area, it came out about here and it was jagged and it was all rusted out, and it was just like that. But I got rid of some of that, and now that's pretty solid. You see where I just grinded it off, and this is what I need right here. I thought I was going to have to go into this, but this is all solid, and this is, I hope I got this camera right with the glare. I can't see. Anyway, this and this is where the base of the canister. It's got the two, slots that, or attachments that rest in there, and then it bolts to that bracket right there. So anyway, it looks like I'm good to go. When I start putting it together, if I need to shore it up, to add anything for anything that I'm not aware of that might need some more mounting out here, then I'll add to it. The only problem I have right now is I could not get this bolt out. I had to grind it off, so I'll be drilling this out. No big deal. And I do have extractors for that too. So, and this is not the finish. I got all the heavy stuff off. And what you can see, I still got some residual there on both sides. And what I'll do is I'll get my drill and a wire wheel, and I'll clean it up as much as possible, get it all smoothed up, a bunch of this leftover rust off of it, and then I'm going to prime it and paint it. And that's it for today. That's it. That's all I'm doing. My knees still bother me. It's getting a little better each day. I figure by the end of the weekend it'll be okay. Anyway, that's my Jeep for today out. If I do happen to come back later in the evening, if I fill up to it and I do anything, I will post. That's my Jeep out. And good morning, it's my Jeep update for Friday, April 29th, 2022. Today I'm not doing any work. I did a little work yesterday, and I think I overdid it because my knee started hurting me last night pretty bad. And I'm stumbling around this morning, so I'm going to stay off of it and see how it does through this weekend. If I was smart, I'd probably just stay off my feet this entire weekend. We'll see. But anyway, like I said, I haven't done any work today. I still got a little work to do on this charcoal canister housing. This piece back here, the second piece of it, it bolts up and it becomes one piece. But anyway, I still got some work to do on cleanup, getting a little more rust off, and then prime it and paint it. So that's where I stand on that. I got a lot of other work. I got at least 2 months of solid work waiting for me on this Jeep. I'm just guesstimating, with the parts that I got, with the parts I got coming, with what I plan on doing. And I posted a little bit and an update on my last video. So if I do anything this weekend, I will post it. And that's my Jeep out for now. Thank you for watching.